Just over 6 months have passed, and we're back on this site. The previous contractors completed their part of the work, the foundation, backfilling, and the first floor columns. This will be a 4-story hotel, and from here on, we're taking over and building the hotel turnkey. We rented a small piece of land next to the site where we'll set up the site office, workers' accommodation, storage areas, in short, everything needed to keep the construction process running continuously. The site itself is extremely densely built up, with virtually no unused space. So, to run as many operations in parallel as possible and speed up the construction schedule, we're moving all the essential site facilities outside the main plot. We're leveling the area now. Limestone is arriving shortly, and we'll spread and compact it evenly so that we can continue working without problems during the upcoming rainy season. Very soon, we'll start constructing the second floor slab. We're dismantling all the old structures that could get in our way. Anything that can be reused is being carefully dismantled and will be repainted so everything stays presentable. As part of documenting the completed works being handed over to us, we're carrying out an as-built survey. The surveyor has already completed the topographic survey, and now we're using a Leica Disto X6. It's a device that allows us to accurately project and measure points in 3D. You can think of it as a simplified total station. For more complex structures or critical setting out points, we bring in a total station. For simpler tasks, we use the Leica. Now we'll survey the columns and foundation, build a 3D model, compare it with the original drawings. There used to be a construction camp here, and right on this spot, a septic tank, or rather, a fairly large biological wastewater treatment system was supposed to be installed. We also need soil to backfill this foundation. If we bring soil in from elsewhere and backfill this area now, we'll later have to remove the soil excavated from these sections. So what are we doing instead? We'll excavate this area now and use the soil for backfilling. That way, we don't have to pay either to bring soil in or to haul it away. It's important to think through the entire construction process from the very beginning, so you don't end up creating problems for yourself later. The surveyor will now mark out all the structures that will eventually be built here. This allows us to understand and plan which parts of the site we can occupy today and which ones will need 6 months from now. We'll mark out the pool, water tanks, biological treatment systems. In short, everything that will be constructed here at a later stage. On a tight site like this, especially in Bali, where plots are small and almost every square meter is built up, it's absolutely essential to know exactly where everything will eventually be located.